This is the Sailor Moon Petite Cara figures by Mega House. This one is the school uniform edition. I got this from AmiAmi. It came with this postcard. Okay, here's like the top of the box. And here are like the options that you could get. A is the regular faces, and B are the winking faces. Okay, here's the other side. And here you can see Minako and Makoto. The other side. And here it says 20th anniversary. And in one box you get 6 figures here. Here you see Ray and Ami. And Amy. Okay, the options. And here's like the bottom of the box. So let's see, and we'll see what figures I got. Okay, each box has this little sticker here. And here, you see. There are like the options again. Here you see Luna and Usagi. The other choices. Okay, first figure that I got is, okay, first figure I got is Usagi, and this one is the winking face, and also have Luna over here. Okay, so that's box number 1. Box number 2, I have Ray, and this is also the winking face. Okay, the third box is, okay, for third box I have Minako. And this is also the winking face, as you can see. Okay. Okay, fourth box I got is Amy. And this is also the winking face. Here you are. Okay, next box is Makoto. And this is also the winking face. I think I might have get all the winking faces in this set. I'm not sure yet. Okay, last but not least is Mamoru. And for Mamoru I have winking face. Yeah, this set I have all the winking faces. It's pretty cool. I think the other sets I have like some winking faces and some regular faces. So it's cool that I have all the winking faces in this set. So yeah, these are like the figures that I got in the boxes. So yeah.